thanks. This one's going out for Dan Cleary, Dave Navarro's guitar tech, who requested Rock and Roll by Oasis. Why not, right? They're touring. Hope you all got tickets. I haven't, but I might get some later on. Let's see, shall we? So there's 3 guitar parts. We're not going to look at all 3. I'm going to give you a simplified version and most of Noel's stuff, really. So we're going to go for a capo on the 2nd fret. One of Noel's things that I've recently learned is he just uses a capo everywhere and keeps to sort of open chord voicings, generally speaking. So we're in standard tuning. Tone-wise, I'm using the Scran from SoundCloud Liverpool. Which is great for this sort of stuff. 10% off too with that code. So the intro then goes like this. Like that. You're basically going from, now this is going to get confusing because it's a B to an E, but you know, it's an A shape to a D shape, right? Everything off. So you'll see that a fair bit throughout, right, where you're taking your fingers off before you change to the next chord. There's a little solo-y bit which starts on the 6th fret, which goes. And then you're in, right? So pretty straightforward. Full step bend. And then a bend and release. And you just repeat that, right? Then we go into the verse. Noel's essentially playing. And then we go to a B minor shape to a G shape. It's actually a C sharp minor to an A. And then you go back to that, that B, okay? Or B to E. That then loops around 3 times. But there is an optional fill that you could play, which is the other guitar part, which plays. So you could do that as well, right? So you're just basically doing a double stop bend. The lower note goes up a full step, so the G string goes up a full step. The note that you fret on the B goes up half a step. Like that. So you could alternate. If you wanted to. Then you go into this shape, the B minor shape. And back in. Okay, the rhythm part, let me take the Scran off for a sec. So we have down, 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 up, off, down. Like that. So you can see that, you know, you're going off and on, right? You don't have to. You could just stay. Just play it like that, right? But that will give you a bit more of that flavour. So you do that twice. Again, same rhythm. So that is down, 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 up, off, up, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. And back in. All right. enough on that. You do it twice round, the third time round after this bit. You just stay on the A like that. Pre-chorus part, we go to a G sharp minor to E. I like to include the B in the bass, I guess that is. And then you go to the B. And you're going to do that 3 times. So we have this. Pretty straightforward, right? But again, down, 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 up, off, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's the first 2 bars. And then to the A. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. It's pretty much the same rhythm throughout, right? 3 times of that. Then you go to the A, which is like a G shape, and then to an F sharp major, which is an E major shape, right? God, it's confusing with the capo. Anyway, so that would be this. Something along those lines. And then it's into the chorus, and you can hear it leaning into the chorus, can't you? So we go. That's it, right? You do the verse again, but this time you do it twice. You do the latter 2 times of the verse, if you like, from the tab. Then the pre-chorus and the chorus again. This time you do the chorus 3 times. The 4th time, you just let this ring out. Then you go into the solo. Now this is Noel's solo, so I'll show you this in a sec. But the verse then plays. You're into that, right? Let's scram back on, shall we? So we have this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the first part. So you've essentially got this. Played over the A, right? So again, we're coming on the 4 and. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we've got a hammer on and a pull off. Open string. Pull your little double stop there, just pull it sharp a bit, right? Just twist your wrist a bit. Then we have this little run. And it goes round again, right? You know, do what you want there, really. But I've tabbed 3, 4. Then we go into the chorus again. You know that already, you do it 3 times. And then we're into the outro. Pretty straightforward again. We're still going for this A chord. You could stay on that for a while, but I do hear, at least the last 2 times anyway, I hear it go to the G, which is this. So So we'd have... like that, okay? And then we go into this sort of triplet part. Again, without the scram we have. You got that going on. You do that 4 times. Then it goes to this. Four times of that, and then we have 10 times of this, which fades out, which is... And that's it. All the parts. You're done. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon.